Hi, I'm Sean and this is my Ford Transit. I converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Right everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to call this Tit Turd Tech Tuesday. Now I'm a tit turd and this is Tech Tuesday. Just want to run through some things that I've bought over the last week, or actually since I've had this channel. You know, you look at other people's channels and you think, oh yeah, they've got this, they've got that, and you know, the latest and greatest and everything. So I thought, well, if it's going to improve my channel or make me look better, because I'm not that good, and improve my channel ratings and stuff, then you know, I think it's great. So I'm going to run through some things that I've bought. It's a bit disturbing actually, because I see my partner, she's trying to ring on this. I'm actually recording on my phone. Now, I bought a GoPro Hero 7 or whatever they're called. I didn't buy the black. To be fair, I wish I had done. But I bought this, paired it to my phone, paired it to my iPad. I've got like selfie sticks, like that. And other ones you can put your phone in, and then the one I've got now, which is an Honor one, it's got a little tab on it, you can press stop record and blah blah blah, and that's just for a GoPro. Okay, now I've got a motorbike and I wanted an action camera for it. I don't even know how to get into this bag, so I bought one of these TomTom Bandit. Yeah, I only bought it because it's got quite a cool little function that you can just press a button, twist it, and the whole thing comes out, so you can slot that into your computer. Oh, it's pretty cool. And then obviously, yeah, you can see in there, there's not much to it, and that can bolt to the side of the motorbike. It's got a little, you can bolt it like that, or screw, yeah, suck it. This turns round. But a mate of mine, well, best mate, he's got a drift, and the lens turns round, so that's even better than this. But apparently this is really good because it's got nigh on 0 download times, because we all know how ages some of these files take. So that was that. I bought that. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I bought the big pack because you get everything. Yeah, it's just one of those things that you think, oh, I've got to have one of those. So anyway, I've got one. I've only used it on my motorbike, and it sits in this bag. Anyway, that's a TomTom. So now we've gone through a GoPro and a TomTom. Both of them, brilliant bits of kit. I have no idea how to use them properly. Comes to this. There you go. Canon M3 mirrorless doofy screen, so sophisticated. Another thing, I have no idea how to use it properly. I look at other people's channels. I look at Martin from Houseless Not Homeless, and he does everything on a fairly old digital SLR. I consider this to be pretty much top of the range sort of thing, you know, and yeah, too complicated for me. You'll get to the gist of this in a little bit. Anyway, so there's that, you know, nice bit of kit, all the gear, no idea. Then you got a charger. Now this is a 12-volt charger for, grab it, DJI Phantom 4. Brilliant bit of kit. Oh. Supposed to be uncrashable. Yeah, I've crashed it twice. Strangely, into the same thing. The washing line at home. My own fault, stupid. You know, I know we're all supposed to say, you know, like fly them in, well, you know, big areas and all that. But let's face it, no one does. So if you want to leave a comment and say I'm stupid, you carry on. I'm quite happy. I know I am. I've crashed it twice, so I've got proof. I mean, I didn't have to tell you that, but I have. Oh yeah, what are these things? I mean, no, joking. Yeah, so there's that really. That's for the Canon. You know, one of them and one of them. And then we've got this thing here. It's a kingfisher. Or, no, is it? No, kiwi bird. Kingfisher, where did I get that from? So there's that. It's like a USB. What's that? USB-C, isn't it? Yeah. And then USB normal. And then you can put SD cards and micro cards in it. It's supposed to make download speeds faster. So there's that. More tech. What else have we got? Oh yeah. I bought one of these mini Mavic things. I don't rate it. It's good. But as soon as you put it up in the air, 500 metres. 500 metres? No, not about 500 metres. Probably about 100 metres, I think. Don't know where I got 500 from. About 100 metres, it loses contact with my phone. What's all that about? I might be doing something wrong. I've rung up the place where I got it from and they said it might be something wrong with my phone. Anyway, I got that. What else we got? I bought a ridge monkey. Now, I suffer from a condition called achalasia. So this is going to be really good. I can cook a whole roast dinner, allegedly, in one of these. Which I'm quite excited about that, to be fair. Now I did notice that it does say extra large. Now it's a good job I have achalasia, to be fair, because if I was a normal person that could eat normally, well, I don't think you can get much in there, do you? I mean, it's pretty cool and all that. I mean, these little spatulas and all that sort of thing. Ouch, that got me in the nads. And then these handles that flip on. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm yet to use it though, so. But yeah, this is quite cool. I don't know if you can actually cook a roast dinner in there, so I'm quite looking forward to using that, to be fair. So there's something else. I'll just put this to one side. And then because I've got a lot of Milwaukee tools, I bought a Milwaukee charger that has a 12-volt plug socket. It's quite a few quid, but because I've got a whacking great solar panel on the Ford Transit, that's brilliant, that is. So we've got the GoPro, the Ridge Monkey. It's like a generation game, isn't it? And all that sort of stuff. Now, I've been a bit of a cheapskate actually on the Transit because it was supposed to be a budget camper. Now we all know that it's these things like take a bit of a turn and you want to upgrade stuff. Now the other day I actually made a bit of a monumental mistake, and it's my own fault really. My line of job, I shouldn't have made the mistake, but I did. Now I've got a cheap mppt, or it is MPP, or what was it, mppt charge controller. So that goes down into a battery. It's just a normal leisure Varta battery. Does the job. But the other day what did I do? Oh yeah, I wanted to change the battery terminals over. They were looking a bit untidy. So without thinking, I just unscrewed the earth terminal from the body of the van. Next thing you know, pop, thing, bang, fizz, whiz, smoke, coming out of the MPPT controller out of the USB port. So I fried it. So anyway, I'm in the lorry at the moment, so I'm not going to take anything apart because I will sell this lorry and I want to keep it as high spec as I possibly can. So in the lorry there is a ePiva, really nice 50 amp, 50 amp, I think it's 50 amp, yeah, controller, and then the MT50 or MT5 display. So it looks all quite nice. So I thought, well, I will be selling this lorry and I will be selling the Transit after I've finished my trip. So I'm going to be buying possibly a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Crafter, or I really like the 2015 On in blue with yellow lights. It's one on eBay at the moment, actually, 10.5 grand. I love that, absolutely. Oh, and it's an Iveco Daily. So I've bought a few things to future-proof what I've got right now. So I bought one of these Victron. I think I better say it right. And it's got Bluetooth, right? And this is a mppt 100 50. And it's got a Bluetooth thing, so you can pair it to your phone and you can do stuff. Now, what else have I got? Oh yeah, I've got a couple of other things. It's like Christmas. I got one of these Summit. It's a fold out barbecue, and it's perfect for me because I say I can't eat much, so I'll just put a burger on it and some buns, and that's sort of perfect. And then I've got one of these twin barrel pumps, because obviously if you've got a transit van or anything, those little ones you get from Halfords aren't really going to cut it, so I decided to get one of them big things. What else? Oh yeah, what are these? What are they called? Gimbals, and it's for the GoPro. I only bought it because you see there's so many shots where they go down, and it's quite cool. So it's another thing I've got to learn how to use. So you can see why I'm calling this Tit-Turd Tech Tuesday. And then the monumental mistake I made today, which is I can't believe I've done it. In about a month's time, we are supposed to be going to, me and two mates are supposed to be going to Scotland. Now, obviously we're on this epidemic lockdown thing, so it might not happen. But I was thinking, if I can get hold of a Sprinter or a Crafter in the meantime, then I want some cold beer. Now, over the last couple of weeks, I put a solar panel on the shed with another mppt controller, and I put it on a Halfords cool box, big one. Now, I didn't realise that 12-volt batteries are really unhappy under 12.2 volts. Anything above that, they're okay. So I didn't realise that. I mean, I should have done. So I've obviously buckled the cells in the battery, and that led to me buying a battery from eBay. It's a 220 amp. I'll put a picture now and a link in the description below. I must remember to do these sort of things as well. Yeah, 220 amp AGM battery. Now, I didn't realise, I was looking online, doing a bit of research, and if you've got 220 amps, only 110 amps of those are usable. So that brings your power down. So yeah, so I've gone out and bought one of those massive big AGM batteries, and hopefully that'll be all right. But just to make sure you have a nice cold beer. You've got to have a cold beer. In fact, I've got one here. Where I live, we got a company, a bit like they make 12-volt fridges. I'll show you what it is because it's right here. one of these. Yeah. So I bought a fridge as well. Yeah, I'm going to hold this now. I bought this fridge, but it's too big for the Transit. Oh yeah, got to say a shout out to Mel. He's so right. Mel from Mel's Van World. All right, mate. I'm recording on the phone, and I'm really trying to concentrate on the lens and not look at the screen. So yeah, that's really hard to do actually. So yeah. What else? Oh yeah, more stuff. This. It's supposed to start your van. In fact, it does. It starts a Transit van, but the van has got to start in the first place. So you can't have like a flat battery and it not start. Say you've got no fuel or whatever. You know, it's just for a flat battery. Something like that. It won't start continuously cranking. I'm gonna try and put this down. It's got these little fold out leggy things. Oh, let's adjust this up. So yeah, right. Remember to look there. So anyway, hope you. This is basically me buying all this stuff and not having a clue how to use it. So over the coming weeks, months, year, I'm going to try and get better with the technology I've bought and bring some better content. Now hopefully also the weather's nice now. I mean, it's a lovely day here where I am. So yeah, beautiful. In fact, there's not a cloud. There's not a cloud in the sky. I'll show you out there. There's bird poo. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. But there's not a cloud in the sky. So, and hopefully, Wednesday, we might be able to get out. We might be able to get out actually because garden centres are open. So I might get one of my motorbikes out and go and find a packet of seeds. I might grow some tomatoes. So I might have to go to a garden centre on a motorbike, and that'd be quite cool. So I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully, I don't want to be too blasé about things. As I say, my channel was only young, but impressively, and I am mightily impressed. I've now got 330 subscribers. So love you all. Anyway, I've rattled on. Probably a bit too much now. 18 minutes 30 seconds. So 13 seconds so far. So this is just to say, basically I bought all this gear and I've got no idea. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm not going to go like that because it'll probably knock the camera over and then it'll look crap. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I'll put a link of everything that I've bought down below.